Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of running an email campaign in Brevo. Begin by navigating to the Campaigns section of your Brevo dashboard. This is where you can manage all your email campaigns. Look for the button that says Create a Campaign and click on it to start setting up a new campaign. When prompted to choose the type of campaign, select Email Campaign. This option is specifically for sending emails to your audience. Enter a unique and descriptive name for your campaign. The name should reflect the purpose or theme, making it easier to identify later. After naming your campaign, go to the Campaign Settings page. Click on Sender to review your sender name and email address, then click Save. Next, go to Recipients and select the list of people you want to send the campaign to. Then click on Subject to create a catchy subject line for your email, and add a preview text if you'd like. Now navigate to the Design tab. This section allows you to create the visual layout of your email. Browse through the available templates and select one that matches your campaign's theme and goals. Once you've chosen a template, personalize it with your brand elements. Add your logo, change colors, and modify text to make your email visually appealing and engaging. After you're happy with the design, click Save to record your changes. It's always a good idea to save regularly to avoid losing progress. Congratulations! Your campaign is now ready. You can send it immediately or schedule it for a later time that best suits your audience. That's it. You've successfully created and prepared your email campaign in Brevo. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.